Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you a very beautiful pattern of crochet rose flower. This is also called rolling flower and I will use it on baby shoes. I have made larger ones for frock and cap as well. You can make it in larger size. I am using a number 4 steel crochet hook which is equal to 1.5 millimeter aluminum crochet hook, and I am using 3-ply baby soft yarn. First of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would start making chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this way, we would make total of 47 chains. So I have made 47 chains. You can increase the number of chains by multiples of 4 in this. Now we would skip 4 chains, and into the 5th one we are going to make a double crochet. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this 5th chain, draw up a loop like this, pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Go into the same chain, make a double crochet stitch into it by pulling the yarn through 2 loops twice. Now we are going to skip 3 chains. Into the 4th one we are going to make double crochet, chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and a double crochet into the same chain. Skip 3 chains again. Into the 4th chain, make double crochet, 3 chains and a double crochet. So repeat this process of making V stitches till the end. Now we have 2 chains, skip 1. Into the 2nd one make a double crochet. First row is completed. Now we would make our 2nd row. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Turn up the work and we are going to work into this chain 3 space of V stitch. So into this chain 3 space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7 and then double crochet 8. This is our shell stitch. Now in this space between V stitch we are going to make a single crochet like this. Now into the next chain 3 space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7 and then double crochet 8. And then we are going to make a single crochet in this space between these 2 stitches of V stitch. In this way make 8 double crochet stitches in every chain 3 space and a single crochet between the stitches. Now in the end, skip one chain and into the third chain here make a single crochet like this. You can see chain ones here. So now we are going to cut this yarn strand, and with the help of this yarn tail, we will roll this flower. So first of all, make a knot of this yarn like this to secure the work, and then pull it through these stitches and chain 3, and roll it like this. Be patient while rolling and roll it perfectly, not too tight and not too loose. To make the petals in perfect shape like this. And now we are going to weave these all chain sides together. So just pull the needles to first 3 layers from one side to the other like this, and we have to repeat this process many times until we join all these sides together with the help of needle and secure all this work. Remember, if you want to make this flower in bigger size, you just have to add multiples of 4 chains in this 47 chain, and you can make it in bigger size for crochet, baby hat, and for baby dress, as bigger as you want your flower to be. I have just shown you in smaller size, but you can make it in larger size for other crochet projects as well. So now after weaving the center, we will weave the ending part of flower till the last petal like this by pulling the needle through stitches of the ending part, double crochet and chain 3 of the first row and second row to the shell stitch of petal like this, and now you can see flower is ready. Now you can just attach it to shoes. It is up to you. You can use needle and yarn for this purpose. I am weaving this yarn end, and I will use glue gun to paste this flower to booty. So it is up to you, and you can join this flower to the side of booty, and you can join it at the top also. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.